San Jose! Hello, Chloe!
Grabe, ang galing mo! Sobrang natural yung imotero mo, kabugera ka.
That is true.
That's right.
Oo.
Yes, oo nga po.
Before anything else, bumati ka muna sa lahat na nakatutok sa atin ngayon.
Hi, everybody! Hello po, it's Chloe.
From the I Want ASAP stage years back now to the ASAP main stage. We're so happy to have you as well.
Finally, no? Kamusta naman yung first ever performance mo sa ASAP stage?
Kinakabahan mo. Kinakabahan ba yun?
Hindi, everyone was applauding you.
Grabe yung confident mo, Bek. Ang galing, grabe, bye.
Pag ganun,
Oo nga, kami nagulat kami. Hovan? Nagulat ko sa kanila ko.
baka susunod,
Siya lang mga...
kung gusto ni Chloe magkaroon ng collab between Chloe
Yes.
and Maymay.
I think we want that. Do we want a performance from Chloe and Maymay dito sa ASAP stage? I think we can arrange that. Pero speaking about what's next, Chloe, we want to ask as well, ano ba yung next chapter of your life? What's next for Chloe San Jose?
Oh no, I don't know, Kuya Edward. I'm just so excited and happy to be here po. Let's see what the future holds po.
Oh, but just in case, given a chance, ano ba yung gusto mong mangyari? You can manifest it.
With the collab po with Ate Maymay.
Oh, yan. Gusto mo talaga mangyari, no? Well,
Sinabi
Chloe,
mo,
our doors are always open for you. You would love to?
Yes, of course po. At dito ko pa siya makita sa mga marami pang performances dito sa ASAP natin to.
That's right.
Sa ASAP.
We would love that. We would love to say thank you once again para po natin. Chloe, Chelsea, maraming salamat
That's right.
for being here on ASAP. At susunod na,